Alright, this is a follow-up to 675 65th Street South. And the first time we came out here, we located where all of the sewer lines ran. And then what we found during the first inspection is that all these pipes were just completely full of cast iron scale. So the homeowner called us back out here to clean out all the pipes. So now we're just running the camera to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So far it looks really good. There's one main trunk line that runs under most of the house from west to east. So this runs all the way to the bathroom on the other side of the house, and then you got your tie-ins from upstairs and the kitchen, and then there's a bath in the garage as well. So quite a long run. So that's going to be the end. That's going to be our bathroom on the far side. So 50 foot of sewer under the house. And as you can see, all the cast iron debris is gone. All the flakes are gone. Pipe is nice and round. And I don't see any cracks in it. I don't see any breaks. I don't see any roots. A little area right here of buildup. Possibly a very small crack starting to form right there, but I don't see an issue with that. It shouldn't cause problems as long as you're using Scott's toilet paper. Scott's dissolved, and that's designed for cast iron pipe, so no Charmin, no Cottonelle. The rest of it looks awesome. And I want to check the line. That's the garage bath. I'm going to want to check the line in the yard as well. So let's go back the other direction now. So now we're going away from the house to where the pipe is open. Just want to make sure all this looks good. Yep, there's my shovel. So that looks good. So one small crack under the house. Usually a crack that's that small I wouldn't be too concerned with. When it looks like the Grand Canyon is when you've got major issues. But as long as the new homeowners use Scott tissue toilet paper, there should not be a problem. So everything's nice and clean.